My favorite thing to get at a bakery is just the bread itself.
Glazed donuts are fire.
I enjoy like the texture of the bread, the taste of the bread.
I really enjoy apple pie.
It's just, I really like bread.
Many people love baked goods and sweet treats. At 1100 Washington Square, there's a shop that you may have driven by, but never heard of.
It wasn't anything I ever planned to do, it just kind of fell into place. We wanted to expand on our bakery and on our coffees.
The Fudge Shop was originally located in downtown Washington and is now called the Wicked Whisk. Beyond a new location and a new name, they have expanded their services.
Well, my mother had opened a bed and breakfast, and it had a cafe in it. We had people coming in wanting to bring cakes with them, and it made more sense for us to make them ourselves, and things just kind of progressed from there.
Once they added Fun Cake Creations, owner Kim Lutz felt the old name didn't fit their mission.
When we chose to move, we knew we would have to change the name because people are going to be less likely to stop at the fudge shop if they don't want fudge. It was a one-thing name, and we needed something that was more broad.
Kim plans on expanding the Wicked Whisk even more in the future.
The cakes and the candy are mostly what we have right now. We have Jelly Belly beans, but as time goes on, we're going to be adding more baked things, pies and muffins and, cakes that you can just walk in and take out.
So if you are looking to satisfy your sweet tooth, check out the Wicked Whisk. I am Molly Eckelkamp reporting.